Introducing the Fly Racing Snow Zone Goggle. Constructed with a dual-pane polycarbonate premium injected snow lens with anti-scratch and anti-fog coatings. Lightweight yet durable polyurethane frame designed for increased field of view, providing massive peripheral vision. Premium multi-layer face foam provides superior moisture management and a tight seal. Outriggers provide optimal fit, and a 45mm adjustable double buckle strap allows for easy goggle tension adjustment. Non-slip silicone on the inside of the strap ensures a secure fit to your helmet. Also available in 7 additional colors, the Snow Zone Goggle from Fly Racing Snow.